Hello dears, so today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful snowflake. It has 6 sides and I am going to show you how to make this today. So let's make the snowflake today. I'll be using a 2 mm hook, a tapestry needle if required, and a scissor. This is my granddaughter's scissor. And I made a hollyhock also. So I'll be showing you in the next video how to make this holly. And today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful snowflake. Last time I made this. So let's begin. It's very easy to make. Let's make a magic ring. I am using a blue yarn so that you can see how clear it is. So here 1, 2 and 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 4 chains, 1 double crochet. So this 3 chain and 1 more chain act as a double crochet and a chain, and next a double crochet and a chain, again next double crochet and a chain, double crochet and chain. So we'll make 12 double crochets and 12 chains into this magic ring. So I'll be back with 12 double crochets and 12 chains. So I am back with 12 double crochets including the 3 chains, 12 double crochets and chains, 12 chains. So and then we pull this magic ring to bring all together, and in the end we have made 1 more chain, and then we'll join up to the first 3 chains that we made, and then we will make 3 chains again, 1, 2 and 3, and into this space we'll make 2 double crochets, that is including the 3 chain, 1 double crochet, 3 chains and 1 double crochet, 2 chains and then 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. We leave this space and go into the next space and make 2 double crochets, 1, 2 and 2 chains and 2 double crochets. So what we are going to do in the next row is make 2 double crochets and 2 chains. So we'll have total of 6 sets of 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. So I'll be back. So I am back with 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets, and I'm going to join it to the 3 chains here on top here, the slip stitch, and pull through. So now we have 6 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will slip stitch here, 1 and 2, get into the space and make 3 chains again, and then make 2 double crochets with the 3 chains, 1 and 2 and 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and then 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Very easy. You can try it out, and you can make many of these for selling or even gifting to your friends. Very easy to make. You can put them on your return gifts. So 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 chains and 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. So we continue doing this into this chain space, 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets. Continue doing till you reach the last point. I'll be back with mine. So I'm back with 3 double crochets, 3 chains and 3 double crochets, and now I'm going to attach slip stitch into this 3 chain. So let me revise with you. Initially we made a magic ring, and then we made double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet, 1 chain, 12 of them. In the next row we made 2 double crochets, 2 chain, 2 double crochets, 2 double crochets, 2 chain, 2 double crochets, and in this fourth, 1, 2 and third row we made 3 double crochets, 3 chains and 3 double crochets. Now we are going to make single crochet into the next round. Make 1 chain and make single crochets into each stitch, 1, 2 and 3. Here get into the space and make third one, and then 1 more single crochet, then 2 chains, make a picot, and then 2 chains, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, then single crochets into the next 3 stitches. Continue doing single crochets into the next stitches, and then get into the space and make 2 single crochets, 2 chains, so that it makes the point, and picot, make it into a picot, 2 chains, and then slip stitch into these 2 stitches here below, and then pull up a loop, and then make 2 single crochets next to that, and continue making single crochets into the stitches. Continue making single crochets into the stitches here. Continue making single crochets, and then get into the space and then make 2 single crochets, a picot, the classic picot, continue making single crochets into the next stitches. 1, 2, 3 until you reach the end of the project. Hope you can see the picots 1, 2 and 3. I'll come back after completing the others. So we reached the last part. Now we have 6 corners, as you can see. So beautiful. And then you can slip stitch into the stitches here till you reach this corner, the picot stitch here. Get into the picot stitch, pull up a loop, pull through, and then make 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here we made this beautiful snowflake, a blue one, and then we will just turn around and make a loop here so that we can just make a loop for hanging it on the tree or anywhere, or you gift someone, you want to gift it to someone, you can do that. It's your wish. And here we are with the beautiful snowflake. You can add some embellishments that you like to this. You can tuck this in this thread which is jutting out. You can weave it in. Weave it in, and then you're done. You can cut the extra yarn, and this thread, which is the magic ring tail, you can even weave this one in too, so it looks neat. Here you can just push the thread in. Weave this thread into these stitches here. And we are done. So please subscribe, like, comment and share. Please do that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Love you all, and see you during Christmas, selling a lot of these items too. So I made these beautiful ones so your friends can appreciate you. And next I'll be coming with this hollyhock with holly leaves for your Christmas tree. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.